Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an online seller, product photographer, fashion brand, or even a solo creator looking to improve your e-commerce visuals, you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Today, I'm introducing you to a powerful AI tool called SellerPic. This is not just another design app. It's an all-in-one AI-powered content creation platform designed specifically for online product sellers. From jewelry to apparel, it helps you create studio-quality product images and videos without any photography equipment, without hiring models, and without expensive post-production. This is ideal for marketplaces like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, and even social platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Now let me show you how to get started from the very beginning. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type SellerPic.AI. You'll see it appear right at the top of the search results. Click on the official website. That's your entry point to everything we're about to explore. Once the dashboard loads, you'll notice a super clean interface with different AI modules. Let's start with one of the most exciting ones, the Virtual Try-On for accessories. This feature is an absolute game changer, especially if you sell rings, bracelets, watches, earrings, or similar items. Here's how it works. Start by selecting Virtual Try-On for accessories from the menu. Next, upload a high-resolution image of your product. In this case, let's say a diamond ring. Make sure your image is clear, shot from the top angle, and has a transparent or neutral background for the best results. After uploading, you'll choose a hand preset. SellerPic offers a variety of realistic hand options with different skin tones, poses, and lighting, which is perfect for showcasing your product in a relatable, lifestyle-driven context. Then comes the Adjust Area step, which is really important. This is where you position and scale your ring onto the selected hand. You can move it slightly, rotate, resize, all to make sure it looks naturally worn. If this step is skipped or done hastily, the result may not look realistic, so it's worth getting right. Once you're happy with the placement, click Generate. And this is where the magic happens. In just seconds, SellerPic creates a photorealistic image of your ring being worn. You can zoom in to see all the small details. The sparkle of the diamond, the shadowing, the skin texture. Everything looks like it was captured in a real studio shoot. But in reality, it took less than a minute and cost absolutely nothing. Now let's take this static image and turn it into dynamic content. Click on the Image to Video button. Here you can choose video effects like slow rotation, zoom in, or zoom out, and even add background music. You can generate a short 10-second promotional video that looks like it was directed by a professional videographer. If you want to personalize it even more, use the Remix function. For example, you can enter a prompt like, a young woman wearing the ring, camera slowly zooming out, soft, natural light background. Within moments, SellerPic transforms your concept into a stunning, lifelike promotional video, perfect for Instagram Reels, Facebook ads, or even your product page banner. Now let's switch gears and explore the Virtual Try-On for apparel. This tool is perfect for fashion sellers who want to showcase tops, bottoms, dresses, jumpsuits, or full outfits on virtual models. And again, no need for a photo shoot, no mannequin setup, no green screens, just your digital garment file. When you choose Virtual Try-On for apparel, you'll see two modes, minimal mode and batch mode. Upload your garment file. This could be a top, jacket, or full outfit. Then choose a preset model pose from the right-hand panel. These presets include models with different genders, ethnicities, and styles. You can also upload your own model photo or pose if you want something custom. Once you've selected the pose and uploaded your clothing, the AI will generate 4 versions of that same pose, each with slight variations. This gives you creative control to choose the most natural-looking or visually appealing one. Now, if you're creating a full collection or a marketing set, go with batch mode. SellerPic's AI then creates a cohesive photo set, where all images share the same lighting and atmosphere, giving your product listing a professional editorial quality finish. When uploading garments, you have 2 file types to choose from. Separate garment, which is great for tops or bottoms, one-piece garment, ideal for dresses, jumpsuits, or any full outfit. And here's a pro tip. Try to match your garment with the type of clothing the model is wearing in the preset. So if your item is a long-sleeve sweater, choose a preset model also wearing long sleeves. This makes a huge difference in output quality and realism. Once your visuals are ready, SellerPic makes it super easy to publish. Click the 3 dots next to your download button and select Publish. This brings you into SellerPic's built-in social media manager. Here, you can instantly share your content to platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, or schedule posts ahead of time to stay consistent and save even more hours of work. All of this happens in one platform. No need to switch between photo editors, video tools, or third-party schedulers. So whether you're selling fine jewelry, streetwear fashion, or handmade apparel, SellerPic helps you turn simple product images into scroll-stopping content instantly. No photo shoots, no editing headaches, just pure creative control and automation. Try it for yourself by visiting SellerPic.AI and revolutionize the way you present your products online. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more in-depth tools, tips, and tutorials to help your online store grow faster and smarter.